Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this stonework sequence designing. These are customized sequence which will not easily available in the markets. As of present situation, the lockdown is continuing, so I had prepared myself at home. These are plastic mirrors of silver color and I made the holes at the end. You can choose the size of the plastic mirror as per your requirement. Here I am taking the small size. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to make the holes in this mirrors. These are the fancy materials which will not get in normal stores like fancy shops or the tailoring material shops. You need to purchase these sequins online. The materials which I am going to use for this designing is available with the links provided in the description box. Kindly check out. Holding firmly the plastic mirror in between your two fingers and slightly we have to put the hole. Ensure you don't hurt your fingers. Like this we have to put the holes using the needle or using any sharp object like the pins. You can try it like this. I have waited for this sequence designing for a long time, but I couldn't find it, so I thought to make using the plastic mirrors. So I'm using it like this to create this beautiful designer stitching on the blouse. And for the stitching I'll be going with the cotton silk thread 9 number hemming needle. Hold it firmly while stitching the sequence. Just insert in the needle and pull it like this. We have to create the petals using these plastic mirrors. As I said before in the beginning of the video, these are customized patterns which are exclusively designed for the party collection or for the bridal collection and very expensive in the market, but knowing how to do it, you can also make it very easily with an affordable price. So like this, the sequence outlining will be done with the plastic mirrors. Once the outer side of the petals has been created, the inner will be also filled with these plastic mirrors. Now I'm going to start the inner side of the circle to create the petals. Like this you can try like 2 to 3 lines to get the blooming flower. And in each and every video I'd be telling that these designer patterns are so simple if you know how to do it. So thought of sharing this idea to you all so that maybe it is useful. So like this, the inner side of the petals also have been filled. If you found running short, you can also add at the ends like this, so that the bloomingness, the 3D flower will be exposed and will really gives the nice look. So I'll be joining some more at the ends, and now I'll be using 2 lines. This is how it looks of the stone line, and I'll be cutting this like 4. You can clearly see here. This is to stick exactly in the center. Also you can stick directly the rhinestone so that you will get the beautiful finishing. And this is how on the complete blouse we have to give the sequence stitching. If you have sequins, or else you can also try with the plastic mirrors which I have shown. Hope this video is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.